This is a well system. The house is on a well. We didn't have to do iron filtration on it based off of water test results. So we just installed a water softener system. This is just a 24K water softener that just has softening resin in it. And then it has a separate brine tank for salt. Well water comes in from here down into here into this well pressure tank, which pressurizes water pressure for the house. And then from there, it goes into the water softener and then back into the rest of the house. So we have water coming in through here. This pipe goes into the pressure tank down below, and this is what is going to pressurize the water for the house. We didn't have high iron content. We just had water softening resin in it for calcium, magnesium, hard water minerals. With that, we only had to put in a 24K water softener system, and water comes into the water softener here, into the tank, and then back out the back here and the outlet, and that's what feeds the rest of the house with softened water.